Click sign into GitHub. Oh, it looks like it's working. Yay, I'm signed in. Here are my notes. Oh man, look, I got formatting and stuff. Was this my title? This is the title. Just start typing. This is, ah my gosh. This is the body of the gall dang note. Can I have lists in here? Oh, heck. Heek, yeah. The gall dang, let's italicize that. Can I have bold lists in here? Oh yeah, I can. Click around to a different one. Ooh, look at this. Look at my URL. Click on this note. Oh, it changed. Click on this note. Ooh, it changed. So does that mean, let's see, is that just a trick? Or if I refresh the page with this, let's go one further. Let's copy this, open a whole new window, paste that in. I go straight to that note. Cuss dang shucks. If I were logged out, then I would have to log back in, but it would take me there. If I wrote it that way, which I don't remember if I did. Click this little thing, and it clears it out, and I have a new note. So now my URL is just /notes. Let's start typing in here, blah, blah, blah. Ooh, I got an ID now. Oh, what if I delete it? Deleted. And now I'm back to this, and it's blank again. Think we can do it? Think we have the power? But heck, we'll have this done by lunch. So that's a quick look at it. I made a quick code pin just to have a look at the static HTML and CSS for a portion of it. So this doesn't do anything. This just has some hard-coded data in here taken from Sagan Ipsum. So we got our pretty blue stuff here. And all our fancy HTML and CSS. And I also made a repo for this called Note Static out there on GitHub. I'm going to copy and paste this in Slack. So you can go ahead and clone this. You can fork it first if you want to, but you're not going to be pushing back to this. You're just going to steal all this static content out of it. So go ahead and clone this repo or download it as a zip file. It doesn't matter because we're just going to steal some files from it. When you have it cloned, you could go ahead and open that folder if you want, and then just leave it there for the time being. You just want to have those files handy. So what does this do that we haven't done before? Everything's totally new, right? Well, let's think about this for a second. What's this? It's a list of crap, right? What's this? A form that we can type in that adds things to that list. So on some level, it's very similar. And when I refresh the page, they come back. Yeah, we're changing the URL sometimes, so that's a fancy new trick. But an awful lot of it is just the same as what we did. When I refresh the page, it comes back. Is that coming from local storage? Not this time. It's actually coming from a backend. So we're going to write our own backend with Node.js. Just kidding. We don't have time for that. We're going to use a service called Firebase to have a cloud-hosted database. Really easy to use. That'll probably be tomorrow. So that's some of what we're going to learn. We're going to learn how to change the URL and have that do stuff. That's called routing. And we're going to actually have it sync with something in the cloud using a service called Firebase. And we're going to do it all in the reactiest way possible.